The latest with abortion. It has been 3 months since the Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade, and now a legal ruling in Arizona could allow a near total ban on abortion to go into place as soon as this week. This comes as a judge in Indiana blocked the state's abortion ban today from being enforced there. Senior national policy reporter Ann Flaherty with me now for more on this. And we're seeing legal movement in Arizona, in Indiana. What's the latest?
Well, it's very confusing. This is the game of legal whack-a-mole that we've been seeing now for weeks, ever since the Dobbs decision came down. In Indiana, we just got word that this near abortion ban that went into effect last week has now been put temporarily on hold by a court there. So they are no longer enforcing that abortion ban in Indiana as of this morning. Arizona, a judge is expected to rule on a 100-year-old law that would ban abortion. But even if she supports that and allows that to go forward or blocks it, it doesn't matter. There's another law on the books that Arizona has that will be enforced as of Saturday that's a ban after 15 weeks. So very confusing. Depending on where you're standing on any side of a state border will determine whether or not you can get access to abortion.
And I want to turn your attention to Wisconsin. Republicans there, of course, just rejecting the governor's call to allow voters the chance to repeal the state's 1849 abortion ban. Polls showing the majority of people in Wisconsin support abortion rights. So what exactly does this ban entail, as old as it is, and what more can the governor do?
Right. Well, Democrats are clearly emboldened by what happened in Kansas. We saw red state Kansas when the voters were given the opportunity to vote up or down on abortion. They chose to allow access. They wanted those abortion rights. So Democrats are feeling very good about that. They want to put this ballot measure on every state if they could. So the governor there in Wisconsin, he's a Democrat. He wants to keep bringing this up. So the next thing that happens is October 4th. He's calling a special legislative session. He wants another vote, another chance to say this is where Republicans stand. Of course, Republicans don't want to talk about this. They want to talk about inflation, crime, and immigration.
Yeah, as we get towards the midterms. And Senator Lindsey Graham's controversial bill to ban abortions nationwide after 15 weeks has caused some division within the Republican Party, especially, as we mentioned, leading up to midterms, hyperclimate. Where exactly does this issue stand with Republicans?
So, Graham's bill absolutely shattered consensus of Republicans. Ironically, he thought that it would pull them together, that everybody could agree on a 15-week ban. Now, what I think people at home need to realize is that the vast majority of abortions actually occur in the first trimester. So this wouldn't stop 93% of abortions. That's according to CDC data. But he felt like this would give these flailing GOP candidates a lifeline or someplace to stand. I talked to one GOP strategist who told me, but that's like standing in the middle of a highway, because this is such a losing issue for so many Republicans. It only plays to their base. Independents show that they do support abortion access. So it's something that, again, Republicans don't want to talk about. They are running from this issue. They would much rather talk about the economy and the immigration and what's happening at the border right now.
And thank you as always.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.